Holy crap, this is so nerve-wracking. Breathe. Breathe. So nerve-wracking. Okay. Is he almost full? Yeah, he's almost full. So nerve-wracking. Okay. Gonna take this as a pause until I get back. I'll let you know if I died or if my mate died. Okay, made it out. That is so good. But it doesn't help that I'm still, my heart is dying. It's like beating so fast. I'm going back to my rendezvous site because my pups are hungry. Yep, hungry. Okay. I laugh when I'm nervous. Gosh, I'm so glad I was able to make it. Because in the cattle ranch, it's so nerve-wracking. Because you can't save your game. And if you die, you have to load back to your last game save. Anyways, this is all I gotta show. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.